Are you looking for an easy paper craft for your kid or classroom for Valentine's Day? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this easy paper picture frame, which is also a keepsake. It involves no scissors and just a few minutes. Let's get started. All you need to create this easy paper picture frame craft is some 12-inch by 12-inch cardstock paper, some glue, and then also some stickers or fun items to decorate the picture frame once it is assembled. The final product will be the size to hold a 4x6 photo, so having those taken and printed in advance will help with the final product. To start our craft, we are going to take our bottom corner and we're going to fold it up to its opposite end partner at the top of the page. Making sure to hold and press down on that seam, making it as crisp as possible will make this process easier to find that center point. Next, you're going to open up that fold and then you're going to do the same thing with the opposite ends. So you're going to take the bottom corner and move it up to the top corner and then create a fold on that diagonal as well. Pressing that down to make it as crisp as possible. All right, now open up your paper and you should have a nice cross point showing you the center of the piece of paper. Next, you're going to take each corner and fold the corner into that cross point in the center. And you're going to do that with all four sides. All right, so this creates like a little pocket. Hello. Hello. So the next step, we're actually going to take the folded side and we're going to flip it over. And then you're going to fold these corners back to that center point as well. So you're going to start with another flat surface and then take these corners and create the same folds into that center point. So next, you have on the back end these little flaps that are kind of create these little pockets. If you are a millennial, we used to create those little origami puppets as this same fold. It is the same process to get to this stage. Only we are now going to take these corners from our little flaps and fold them back to the inside of the opposite or of its parent corner on each side. So to make that a little easier, if you kind of pop that fold here, pop that open, gives you a bigger gap back there. And then you're going to fold to the inside to the back corner on each of these four sides. And then push that fold down. And then that will create four pockets on the front of your folded craft. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn to the back. And what we're going to do here is we're actually going to create a more stable backing for your picture frame. So we're going to glue two of the opposite sides down. So we're going to take our glue and glue those opposing flaps down. And if you're doing this in a classroom, and you're using just normal school glue, it may take a little bit of time for that glue to set up. So it may be a good idea to have this started and maybe just have like something that can hold down the top of the or hold down the flaps to be able to get those to stay and set up as quickly as possible. But if you just kind of push down on those, that will make sure that glue secures and that will hold a stable backing for your picture frame. And then we're going to flip that over and you can see that the tabs create a little stand for your picture frame to stand up on its own. So at this stage, you are actually done with the picture frame itself. The next part of the process is going to be to decorate your picture frame with stickers or fun paper products that you have from your craft store to really make it super fancy and customized. So for our stickers, I got some fun Valentine's Day candy stickers. Let's go ahead and open those so we can decorate the outside. So when you're decorating the picture frame, you really want to try to stay to these corner pieces and not really decorate on the inside here because that is where our picture is going to go in our end product. So let's go ahead and just select some stickers to decorate our picture frame. All right, so we've gone ahead and decorated our finished picture frame. And we're going to go ahead and put that photo in the frame. So really all you have to do to get the photo in there is just tuck the photo back behind those decorated flaps. All right, and you are done with your finished picture frame paper craft. Really, this is such a simple craft that is really a lot of fun. Also, if you'd like to use markers or crowns, you can write messages in some of these corners as well, saying Happy Valentine's Day and from the kiddo who's making this. It's all just super easy and fun and customizable to let them make this craft their own. Make sure to subscribe for more holiday fun.